Our first session begins with a powerful theme, climate change and renewable energy, future of South Asia. I would like to call our first speaker Dr. Mohd Sadad from Malaysia, who is Islamic finance and halal industry expert, currently associate professor at UNISA University, Malaysia. Please, Dr. Mohd Sadad. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahillazi hadana li hadza wa ma kunna linahtadiya laula an hadana Allah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah, asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Thank you, our colleague from LIRA, chairman today. First of all, I would like to thank to new colleague, new friend from the LIRA, Dr. Said. And I would like to congratulate the committee of this event, International Symposium 21st Century Challenge from the LIRA. I think this is the one of the best symposium I had to present today because this is the first time I come to Pakistan. I'm very happy. I'm very what we call yesterday we have ngeteh session in Malay, if you know, in the old town in the Lahore. What they call it here? In Malaysia we call ngeteh, or in Indonesian we call ngopi, something like coffee break, tea break session in the Lahore town. And then I would like to thank to everybody this session. My name is Mohd Sadad Mehmud from University Sultan Zainal Abidin. Actually, my expertise more on the halal management and also Islamic finance. Today, I try to present, to sharing the knowledge a little bit about halal slaughtering in Malaysia. This is my university, University Sultan Zainal Abidin. We have located in the east of Malaysia, 1 hour by flight from the Kuala Lumpur. This one is my presentation today. Climate change and renewable energy in halal slaughtering, future of Asia. I try to focus on the Malaysia, Indonesia, and Pakistan. So I have a little bit data in the Pakistan, but in Malaysia and Indonesia, I have a connection and friend from the university in Indonesia. This because this title I choose because of right now we have research collaboration with Ministry of Agriculture in Malaysia, and a few agencies in Malaysia try to research about halal slaughtering, cutting by laser. I think this is the first, I don't know, maybe in the world, try to research to do the connection halal slaughtering and cutting by the laser. Okay, this is my content on this presentation. The first one, introduction. Okay, if you look, brothers and sisters, in Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, and also Pakistan is the largest Muslim population. If you know, at least we have 500 million people. Okay, that's why Indonesia, Malaysia, and Pakistan playing dominant role in the global halal industry, I think. And because in Malaysia we have authority, government agency to handle about the halal scheme. We call it Islamic Development of Malaysia, or we call JAKIM. And in Indonesia we have MUI. So I don't know in Pakistan what the agencies to cater on the halal scheme in Pakistan. Okay, but climate change is growing global concern, and the halal slaughtering industry in Asia must adapt environmentally friendly practice to remain sustainability. With climate change become a pressing concern, the government, community, and businesses in the halal industry must explore renewable energy solutions to ensure a sustainable future. Okay, next, climate change and its impact on halal slaughtering. So we have a problem normally in these three items. Number one is halal water usage. Number two is greenhouse gas emission. And number three is waste management issue. Okay, if you look in these three issues on the climate change, the meat industry is responsible for about 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emission. That is by FAO 2021. Halal slaughtering is particularly requires significant amount of energy for refrigeration, water purification, and waste management. Rising temperature, water scarcity, and extreme weather events threaten the stability of food production and livestock farming in Asia. If the halal industry does not transition to eco-friendly solution, it risks contributing to the environmental degradation and facing stricter regulation. That is the climate change and impact on halal slaughtering. So the problem is we have three issues: high water usage. Halal slaughtering requires through washing of animal and facilities, leading to high water consumption. Water waste treatment result in pollution due to the blood, fat, and organic waste entering water bodies. A study by Rahman 2020 found that the halal abattoir in Malaysia generate large volume of water waste, wastewater in high biochemical oxygen demand (BOD) and chemical oxygen demand (COD), contributing to water pollution. Fatima highlighted that water-intensive practice in halal slaughtering because environment stress, especially in regional facing water scarcity. Okay, that is the high water usage. Number two, high energy consumption, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emission. Halal slaughtering contribute to the air pollution through methane emission for animal processing and decomposition of water waste, of organic waste. The use of fossil fuel-based energy in slaughterhouse also increase carbon footprints. According to USOP 2022, slaughterhouse emission in Thailand contribute significantly to air pollution with proper ventilation, worsening environment, and health risks. Livestock-related emission are growing concern as not by Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC 2019, which emphasized the need for emission control in meat production. Slaughterhouse requires subsistence energy for operation such as turning, where applicable, refrigeration and waste processing. In many ASEAN countries where electricity mainly comes from fossil fuel, they contributed to carbon emission and environmental degradation. That is according to Huda 2020. Number three, waste management issue. So we can see halal slaughtering process or halal processing produce significant amount of solid and liquid waste, including blood, bone, offal, and wastewater. Without proper waste management, without proper waste treatment, this can lead to severe environmental and health hazard. Many slaughterhouses in Asia struggle with effective waste disposal due to inadequate facilities and weak regulatory enforcement. That is by Shah 2021. That is the problem we have issue in the halal slaughtering. Then we go to the future of sustainable halal slaughtering in Asia. If you can see, they have three important things about this issue. The number one is government subsidized halal certification and investment green technologies. Okay. For this issue, I think the slide over here. Came back. Scroll down. I think it's the role of renewable energy in sustainable halal slaughtering. Number before that. Okay. This is the role of renewable energy in sustainable halal slaughtering. So we have integrating renewable energy into halal slaughterhouse can significantly reduce carbon footprint and ensure compliance with global sustainability effort. The following are key renewable energy solutions. Number one is solar power slaughterhouse. Number two is biogas from slaughterhouse waste. And number three is water recycling technologies. From my experience in Indonesia, I have visited one of the largest farm in Indonesia 2010, 15 years ago when I worked with the Ministry of Agriculture. I looked the bio greenhouse in Indonesia. They have gas, they contribute, they give electricity to the greenhouse, the factory, and also to the community near the farm. That is 15 years ago. They can cater, they can cover electricity at least at that time, 15 families, 15 houses near to the farm. I think right now in this current situation, I think the technologies on bio greenhouse, I think more than that to cover the electricity to the community. That is the role of renewable energy in sustainable halal slaughtering. We go on the future of sustainable halal slaughtering in Asia. They have three, like I said, government subsidized halal certification, environment green technology. In Malaysia, we have a nice scheme for the halal ecosystem in Malaysia, but on the green technology, we don't have a scheme at this time right now. We have the halal scheme in Malaysia, product, food, and beverage. We have halal in slaughtering house. We have halal in many ways, but on the greenhouse, on the green technology, we don't have. And also in Malaysia, we don't have halal finance and also halal tourism because we have contradiction with the two agencies tourism and also Ministry of Finance. That's why we don't scheme on the halal in the halal scheme. Okay. So we go on the conclusion on this today, my presentation. I would like to fast my presentation because we have 10 minutes. And then if you have a question, you can see me after this or PM with me, inshallah, because I'm happy today get the new friend from Australia, also actually from Seremban, and then from Kyrgyzstan. The first time I'm here about the Kyrgyzstan. Thank you, my friend, and also my colleague. Actually, this research I do with my colleague, Dr. Ong and Dr. Ari, Dr. Sobri also. That's why I try to present on this halal slaughtering in Malaysia. I think that for conclusion, climate change is reflection of the future of the halal industry in Malaysia. By adopting solar power, biogas, and water recycling, halal slaughterhouse can significantly reduce the environment impact. Halal policymakers, industry leaders, and community must work together to integrate renewable energy into halal meat production to ensure a sustainability and ethically in the future. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.